Okay, so I have my Gameboy Pocket and then my FPGA development board right here, and then just a voltage divider because FPGA can only, well, it only should get 3.3 volts. Gameboy Pocket uses 5 volts, so that's just a voltage divider. So what I did is, if you can see, right there is the Gameboy Pocket's LCD connector, and there's a vertical sync, a clock, 2 data lines, and a horizontal sync. So I have that going into the FPGA, and then using some custom code I wrote, I have it read the data from there into a internal buffer, and then a VGA controller displays the buffer information onto a monitor. So I have the VGA cable, and I just have it going onto my TV right now. So Game Boy's not on, so nothing's being displayed. So let me stick in a game. I have Kirby's Dream Land. Pop that in. Apply power. And then, as you can see, it boots up. It says Nintendo, Kirby's Dream Land, and then if you look at the monitor, what do we have up there? The exact same thing. Start the game. Green zone. So we got Kirby right there. Yeah, adjust the contrast on here so you can see a little bit better. My room's really dark right now, so look up there. I have some mild flickering and some artifacts going on right now. Gotta fix that. But move around and works pretty good. On the video it might look like it has a delay, but it's just the webcam I'm using. So I also put got a switch on here so I can bivert it. So if you want to play with everything inverted. There you go. This took me about 10 hours total time researching. I had to figure out how the VGA, or not the VGA, but the Game Boy's LCD handles data, and so I was basically just using my oscilloscope. It's only 2 channel. I really should have 4, but I was able to figure it out. I'll post more info about it on my blog, Rival Corp. And yeah, I plan on, right now it's scaling the video. Well, hold on. My TV is actually, okay, so that's what it looks like. And it's actually a lot smaller, but I have it scaling 2 times right now. And then just blow it up on my TV a little bit bigger. That's what you get. It's I was actually surprised how easy this was. So yeah, cool beans.